Taga ng mahilig aking pamamalita at entertainmenting founder na ng CLTV 36 ay Mr. Liberato Levi P. Laus. Ining sinabi na ng dating station manager ng CLTV 36 ay Windsor C. David, akasalungsungang OIC Chief Operating Officer ng Corporate Guarantee.
Si LP, nasa dugo sa kanya yung media. He really loves doing news reporting and entertainment, and actually he put up a newspaper, he put up printing press, he put up a radio station in 1995, and then CLTV ultimately. It was really parang fantasy niya to be involved, to be involved in media. So that's why he formed a group. Media was then really parang another part of his personality. Ganun siya. And we did it the whole thing with fun. Ganun siya,
Kasabi na ng 17th anniversary na ng istasyon, genaka ng David ang karelang meging karanasan na niyang italakad ng Mr. Laus ang kaya katamang homegrown Global Kapampangan Network.
When we applied for the franchise, ang franchise kasi nito includes radio. It's Radio World Broadcasting Corporation. So yung franchise niya is radio and TV. And the whole thing is for the entire Philippines actually. You can use the station anywhere in the Philippines actually, But then yung power ng transmitter na we got from Harris then is strong enough to go outside Pampanga. So sabi niya, why not? Sige, expand na ninyo. Expand ninyo. So we got half of Tarlac, most of Bataan, and then I think it even crossed the Manila Bay. And then there was, of course, Bulacan. It's good naman. At that particular point in time, Pampanga was so excited about having a TV station. Every time we move around, pinapalakpakan yung kala nila artista ko.
Agpangpakan David, patunay mo yung pamag-shift na ng CLTV 36 king digital broadcast kay nasa ng Mr. Laus sa balabalaos magserbisyo at magmasabal kay Balen.
It was a long journey actually, and maraming challenges. But then talagang because of perseverance ng mga nandito, and I think it's in the Laos group culture talaga, still growing strong tayo. Everybody knows CLTV, parang padala, and we are really involved in public affairs, and even the cultural activities of Pampanga, nandun tayo sa Ligligan. I think yun namang wish, yung dream wish ni founder ni Tata Levi, nandiyan pa. Yung involvement natin sa mga sa social media natin dito sa.
Samantala, maragol neman kanusaw ping CLTV 36 ken pamanda kay balita ang maulaga kareng kaya katamong Kabalen, agpang keng Chief Operating Officer ng Laos Group of Companies ay Alfie M. Adriano.
Maragulya sa uping CLTV 36, alimo kayong Pampanga, noon buong Central Luzon. Nung bisa tamong tutu at masaleseng balita, yung kaya katamong official source si CLTV 36. Tsaka dakalya gagawan para kareng komunidad ng CLTV na makasawap kareng kaya katamong Kabalen, ampong kapwa Kapampangan.
Payabot na ng mga Adriano yung kayang pugya kareng mamuntukan at sablang talapagobra keng kaya katamong istasyon.
I congratulate all the hardworking men and women of CLTV headed by Sonia Soto and Billy San Juan for this momentous occasion of transforming or transitioning from analog to digital TV, so we could give our viewers a better viewing experience and also better sound quality. So again, congratulations at maragul na namang step ini para kayong pamag-servisyo kareng kaya katamong kalupang Kapampangan ng Kabalen.
Kayabe Justin Dizon, ako po yung kaya kayong Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong Makabalen. News.